Terra Luna Classic, we are back, and it's time to talk about LUNC here, and looking pretty strong given where the overall market is today. In my last video, I said I was going to show off my new website, so I forgot to do that. So I'm going to do it in this video real quick, get it out of the way. As I'm doing it, smash that like button down below. Really helps us out. Let's push this out to a bunch of lunatics. But I have some things to talk about with Luna Classic, and hopefully this perspective helps you in your trading plan. Hopefully you have a trading plan. If you don't, get one. Get one now. Get out a piece of paper. Take some time tonight, today, whenever you're watching this video. Get out a few pieces of paper. Write down what your goals are for Luna Classic. And while you're at it, write down your goals for all your cryptos in your portfolio. That's what I do. It really helps me stay even keel when I don't know when to sell, right? Or I don't know when to take profits. Now, before we get here, we're going to come right back here. I just want to show off the new website. It looks pretty sweet. It's zhumphries.com. Got my new logo up here. Maybe even some merch coming too. So that'll be really cool. About me a little bit. We've got our affiliates. We've got some crypto news for you pulled from the aggregator. So these are going to be every single day. You'll see the top 5 stories here right on the website, zhumphries.com. Appreciate everybody checking it out, and appreciate all your support on YouTube. I really do. Super grateful for you. Glad I'm able to do this every single day. Now, Luna Classic is up 18% in the last 24 hours. How about that, right? Given where we are right now, this is pretty solid, right? At the 3.5 range, we dipped all the way below the threes momentarily, got it back. Market cap still over 2 billion. Volume still looks pretty strong. We're ranked number 30 right now. Now, when we take a look at the last 5-day period, okay, Terra Luna Classic is down 30%. Luna 2.0 is up 128%. Bitcoin is up 7%. Ethereum's down 1%. But look at the last month. Terra Luna Classic up 266%. When in doubt, zoom out. Terra Luna Classic has had an unbelievable run since May. Its low point was around May 13th. Now, how about LUNC's performance monthly? Look at this. In June, it was up 6.7%. July, down 27.9%. August was a big month, and so was September. Now, naturally, there are many who hope that Luna Classic would someday reach $1. Now, I'm not here to burst your bubble, but in order to do that, we would have to have an enormous market cap, a market cap that dwarfed the overall crypto market cap. That's not going to happen anytime soon. We're talking upwards to $6 trillion for Luna Classic. The market cap needs to be $6 trillion just in LUNC in order to reach $1. Now, that could be helped by some burns and things like that, but I'm more concerned about 1 cent, and that I do think is feasible so long that the community continues to drive this narrative forward, some burns come to fruition, and we build out some more use cases. Now, that $1 level is both a profitable and symbolic target. Of course, that's the target that was set for Dogecoin as well. So let us understand if a target of $1 is actually possible. Well, they kind of go through the math a little bit, right? The market cap at $1 would have to be just enormous, right? Market cap right now is actually, wait a minute. This is definitely a typo. I think they have their millions and billions and trillions wrong. This should be 6 trillion. Okay. This is definitely a hiccup here by this article. But what they're saying here is it still has a huge, huge room. It would have to go. It would have to go absolutely insane. Assume Luna rises 30% a year. It would take 31 years to reach $1. That gives you an idea. Now, 1 cent, that's different, right? But if Luna rises 30% a year, plus there's a burn of 50% of the coins, that cuts it in half, right? 16 years. So how about Luna Classic to 1 cent? Well, assume Luna rises 30% a year, and years to reach 1 cent would be 13 years. But if we cut half the coins out of circulation, it goes 30% a year, 7 years. Now, we can go up higher than 30% a year, definitely. But see how this is a lot more feasible, right? So our plan is to obviously make money in crypto. So have a plan. Many of you are up hundreds of percent already in the middle of a bear market with Luna Classic. It's never bad to take a little bit off the top. What I like to do is this. When I get in, I make a plan. Usually my plan starts with this, okay? Usually it's whenever I 2 or 3x, depending on the asset I'm getting in, how volatile it is, I'll usually take my initial out and about 10 to 20% on top. Why do I do that? It's simple. Because after that point, I know that I'm in the green. I've won the trade. I'm playing with house money. I can sleep better at night. I don't have to make any irrational decisions. I don't have to go back and forth saying, when should I sell? When should I sell? When should I sell? I see the comments from a lot of people out there. when should I sell? When should I sell? Have a plan early, and you'll answer that question, and you won't have to ask it to anybody else. So that's what I've got for you here. Hopefully this gives you some nice perspective of where we are. But overall, things are looking pretty strong given where the overall crypto market is. Luna Classic is hanging in there. This is the 1 minute chart. We're consolidating nicely. Even if we go into the 1 hour, we could see here. Let me go log real quick. Auto, there we go. There's the 1 hour, right? So sure, we dipped all the way down to about the 2.9, but since then, nice consolidation really over the past 12 hours or so. And we're hanging out in these mid threes. Hopefully we can maintain this level right now. And when we zoom out, I mean, look at this. Here's the 1 hour when we zoom out. I mean, still just a very, very bullish run we've been on. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. All right. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to hit the like button. Smash that like button. Drop a comment down below too. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.